Hi, I'm Dr. Ramp, and today I'm going to go through phase 4 of our lumbar stabilization protocol. These exercises are all advanced, so if you're having acute back pain right now, you should not be doing these. These are for people who have already gone through the first 3 phases of protocol and are ready to build the strength in their low back. So the first one is rotation on the ball. So you're going to have an exercise ball. You want your hips and knees to both be at about 90 degrees when you're sitting on the ball, so that helps you size it. And then you're going to have a TheraBand, which you might remember from the thoracic rehab protocol. You're going to attach it to a door or a table leg, whatever you have available. If you attach it to the doorknob, make sure the door closes towards you so it's not going to hit you in the face. So from here, you're going to have your arms out straight at about 90 degrees, making sure your shoulders are even here, and then you're just going to rotate away from the band. Good, making sure you're not dropping to one side or another when you do this. Beautiful. And you're going to do this on both sides. The next one we're going to move into is the bird dog, which you might remember from the last video, but we're going to do this on the ball, which adds a little bit of core stabilization. So you're going to lay with your stomach on the ball, make sure your feet and hands are firmly on the ground, and then keeping your low back flat, you're going to do the alternating arm and leg reaching. Good. Holding for a second and coming back down. So same thing with this exercise, you want to keep your back flat while you're doing it and not rotate through the pelvis. This looks great. From here, we're going to move into what we call a prone extension. So you're going to scoot, up on the ball just a little bit. Perfect. You're going to have your arms in front of you. And then you're going to just bring your chest up off of the ball, bringing your arms back, pinching your shoulder blades together when you do this. Again, make sure your back is activating here and you're not just flinging yourself. Perfect. Then we're going to move into a plank on the ball. So you're probably familiar with a plank on the ground. This is the same thing. It's just, again, added core stabilization with the ball. So you're going to have your elbows on the ball here. Roll the ball out in front of you until you're in a nice plank position. Drop your butt just a little bit. Perfect. So you're looking for this nice flat here. You can see she's on her knees, not up on her toes. That would be an advanced move to move up on your toes here. And then coming out of the plank, we're going to move into the last one, which is curl-ups on the ball. So similar to sit-ups you would do on the ground, you're going to lay here on the ball, hands behind your head, just supporting your head so you're not activating your neck. And then you're just going to bring your chest up slightly, enough to get your shoulder blades off the ball, and back down. So you're not doing a full sit-up here, just enough to activate these upper abs right in here. Good. So again, you're going to do 3 sets of 10 of each of these exercises. If anything hurts your low back at all, stop doing it and let us know next time you're here. If you have any questions on any of these exercises, please let us know.